I'm Smart Kits Australia, and I've spent my weekend doing what a whole bunch of you guys would be doing with our materials, building. And you can see that floor behind me that I'm currently building as an extension to this old house of mine. And if you've been following the story so far, you'll know that I've owned this house for many, many years. I love living here and I don't want to move. So we tore down this old section that was at the back here that was built back in the 1960s. It was pretty ugly. And now installing a double-story box on the back section of the house, and I'm using our firm lock steel beams in the floor here. This is an engineered floor design. A couple of mismatched color beams in there because I had some monument beams left over from another job, and I'm using them in this project right now. Hopefully that sound quality is okay. A little bit of wind blowing here, but a couple of days on the tools and you can see that I'm making some great progress on that floor.